Micah Miller with Easton Outdoors, back with another quick tip of the week. This week we're going to talk about knockout roses. William Radler may have been considered a novice botanist by his peers, but he has created one of the most commercially sold and known roses to date. In 1989, in his search for a disease and drought-resistant rose, he created the knockout rose. This wasn't commercially available until 2000, but that has not hampered its popularity. Knockout rose has many awesome and great features. The first of which is that you can treat it like a shrub and it doesn't require deadhead like most roses. After the third season, we typically cut them down to 12 to 18 inches. If not, they will get 4 to 5 feet tall. In most cases, that might be too big for the landscape. Another great feature about knockout roses is they bloom every 5 to 7 weeks from May to November. They don't require fertilizer either, but if you want to get the best out of your plant, putting down some 10-10-10 fertilizer every 8 weeks gives it a huge jump. If you want to take it a step further, getting a rose-specific fertilizer with mycorrhizal fungi will make your blooms pop even more. I hope this helps. If you guys have any other questions about knockout roses, let me know below. Thanks.